Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Character AI tutorial and how to use as a beginner. So from here, just simply open up the Character AI application into your device. And from here, you will have two options. You can continue with Apple, with Google, or manually sign in with your email. And from here, just simply sign in into your account. And from here, just simply provide your birthday and tap on join. You guys here at the homepage of Character AI, just simply tap on create over here down below. And from here, just simply go for character. And after that, just simply provide a name. I'm going to go for solution and tap on next. And from here, describe what solution will look like. So I'm going to go for handsome, looking tall, and tap on next. So it will be depending on you. And from here, guys, how would solution introduce themselves? So I'm gonna go for hi, how are you? Let's say, and tap on the next. And from here, guys, you will have an option if it's private, unlisted, or public. So it will be depending on you. So let's say I'm gonna go for private and tap on next. So guys, from here, you will have an option to have an image generation. You can add subtitle, description, and add character definition. So this will be depending on you. And now just simply tap on create. And from here, you should be able to create a character. And after that, guys, you can message AI character over here. So you can chat with him. And from here, character AI will chat with you. And down below, you should have an option to call with him as well, as you can see on the left side of the screen down below. And from here, you can call with him and tap on allow. And after that, you can just simply start speaking and he will answer back. And guys, when you tap on the icon on the top right corner and you hold it, you should be able to choose multiple voices over here, or you can just simply select whatever you prefer. And from here, you should be able to create a voice. So let's say I'm going to go for Zoe and tap on select voice. And from here, you should be able to customize your character. And that's pretty much it. When we go back, we should be able to go to the chats over here, and as you can see, this is our character. And guys, when you go to the explore, you should be able to see other available characters that are made for public and other group chat as well. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.